Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat and welcome back to Jessie's Recipes. I am bringing you Palmyra sprout balls recipe today. We were on a trip to Manna 3 weeks back and my Instagram followers might know as I was sharing stories in Instagram during our tour. And we bought this Palmyra sprout flour there and I was wondering to try a recipe with this, and this flour is a bit bitter in taste, so I used condensed milk to reduce it and made these balls. Believe me, it was so yummy, and please try this on your own and let me know how it tasted. So let's see how to make these yummy balls. First, in a large bowl, add half a cup of semolina and half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Give a good mix with your hand and cover and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Next, in a wide pan, add a tablespoon of ghee and fry some nuts over medium heat till nuts turn light brown. Here, walnut and cashews can be substituted or skipped as per your liking. You can also use almonds, pistachios, raisins. Once done, drain the excess ghee and remove it to a plate. Next, in a same pan, add the coconut semolina mixture and roast with stirring continuously on low-medium heat for around 5 to 7 minutes. In the beginning, you will find that semolina is heavy and you will have to make some effort to stir it. Continue roasting till you get a nice aroma of semolina and coconut, and you will notice a slight color change. Once roasted, you will find that semolina is very light while stirring. Next, add 1 cup of Palmyra sprout flour and continue roasting until the color change into the golden brown color. Next, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and pinch of salt. Mix everything until it is well combined. I always use cardamom as I love that flavor in sweets. You can also try saffron. For different continental flavor, you can add few drops of vanilla. It will be good in these sweet balls. Now it's time to add the fried nuts. Mix well to combine. Now add 3/4 cup of condensed milk and reduce the flame to low and mix everything until it mixes well. Taste and check if the sweetness is okay. If you like more sweet, add more condensed milk. Add a half cup of lukewarm milk to the mixture and combine. Make sure you don't add too much milk. The mixture should get just wet. Depending on the quality and freshness of the semolina and Palmyra sprout flour, you may or you may not need extra milk. So adjust the addition of extra milk. To check the correct consistency, you can test by pinching a small portion of the mixture to see if it can be rolled. Once done, switch off the flame and let this mixture to become warm a little. Not completely cool, it should be slightly warm. Once the mixture is cool enough, then try to make the balls. Grease your palm with ghee and start shaping them into balls. As it cools, balls will firm up. You can easily half or double or scale up the recipe depending on the number of balls you need. According to this quantity, you can make around 15 to 20 balls. Our simple Palmyra sprout balls are done and ready. I hope that you are inspired and tempted to try today's recipe. And please do let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section if you make them or plan to make them. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's Recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. I'll come out with another wonderful recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.